empty lots and fading paint where we used to play. Every day feels strange. Standing where my friend's house was, just a patch of dirt and weeds. The old tree we carved our names cut down last week. Remember summer baseball games, now it's just machines. Where did all our stories go, buried in the ground below? Tell me what we're supposed to do when they tear our world in two. My initials on the fence, splintered wood and rust. Walking past the corner store, nothing left but dust. Found an old toy in the grass, time has turned it rough. Where did all our stories go, scattered in the wind that blows? Tell me what we're supposed to do when they tear our world in two. Take something more than just the walls that stood before. I close my eyes, but can't pretend that what we had won't ever end. Paper maps and memories fading like the sun. Every step I take back home leads to somewhere gone.